sure your mummy must have made some nice goodies for you, and your daddy must have taken you out for nice long drives. So did you enjoy the company of your mummy and daddy during the short break that you had? Good. I'm happy about that. So children, after you've had a break, you're nice and fresh. So let's begin. Now, in math, earlier, I taught you the spellings of number 1 to 6. Now let's revise, okay? The spelling of 1, and you're going to say it with me. This is number 1. How will I spell 1? O-N-E. 1. Let's repeat it. O-N-E. 1. This is number 2. T. Who says T? T says T. So let's spell 2. T. W. O. 2. What number is this? You will say this is number 3. So let's spell 3. Now children, I want to introduce something to it. Th. When I put my tongue between my 2 teeth, this becomes th. Th means T-H. Th. And re, r, who says r? R says r. And E, double E. So let's spell 3. T-H-R-E-E. Once again we are going to spell 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. Now, what number is this? We'll say 4. F. Who says F? F says F. So 4. F-O-U-R. 4. Now, what number is this? You will say, this is 5. F. How will I spell F? Write F. F-I-V-E. I-V-E. 5. And what number is this? You will say this is 6. S. How will I write 6? S-I-X. 6. So we've learned the spellings of numbers of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Today I'm going to teach you how to spell 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 too, you've done it before. You know how to spell 10? D-E-N-N. And 10? T-E-N. 10. So we learn only 7, 8 and 9. Just 3 more. Okay? So the first one is 7. Sir. Who says sir? S says sir. Now when I'm saying se, S-E, se, ven, V-E-N, ven, se, ven. Let's spell 7. S-E, se, V-E-N, ven, 7. Now we'll learn to spell 8. 8 is not very easy, children, but we will learn it, okay? 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Let's spell 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. And 9. N. Who says N? N says N. N-I. I read I. N. N-E. Let's spell 9. N-I-N-E. 9. And the last one, you know how to spell it, is 10. T-E-N. Turn N. 10. So we're going to revise how to spell 7, 8, 9 and 10. We'll revise 7. S-E, se, V-E-N, ven, 7. Once again, S-E, se, V-E-N, ven, 7. Now 8, E-I-G-H-T, 8. 9, N-I-N-E, 9. And 10, T-E-N, 10. So we've learned the spellings of numbers from 1 to 10. Now we'll do another exercise. Okay, children? Children, I've just taught you how to spell numbers from 1 to 10. I revised it in the beginning from 1 to 6, and then I introduced numbers 7, 8, 9 and 10. Just now, I've given you two types of exercises where we are going to match numbers with their spellings. Now, we already know how to spell 10, T-E-N, 10. So what I'll do is, I'll write number 10 at the side. Now this is N-I-N-E, N-I-N-E, 9. So I'll write 9 at the side. S-I-X is 6. So I'll write 6 at the side. S-E, se, V-E-N, ven. So I'll write 7 here. And the last one, E-I-G-H-T is 8. So I'll write 8 here. Now, all that I have to do is look at the numbers here and match it with the numbers this side. So here I have number 7. Where is number 7? Here. S-E, se, V-E-N, ven. So I match it with this. Now what number is this? 8. Where is 8? Here's 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. I will match it with 8. Now this is number 9. Here's 9. N-I-N-E, 9. I'm cross-checking to see whether I've done it correctly or not. So I match it with 9. Now here's 6. Here is number 6. Again, I'll check if I've written it correctly. S-I-X, 6. So I'll match it with 6. And the last one is 10 and 10. And we spell 10 as T-E-N, 10. So I'm going to match it with this. Wasn't that easy, children? So what we've done is we have matched numbers with their spellings here. And what did I do? I looked at the spellings and I wrote the number here and I matched it with that number. Okay? Now this side is just the opposite. I have written the spellings here and I have written the numbers this side. It's the same thing that I have to do. I'll look at the spelling and I'll write the number here. S-I-X is, tell me, S-I-X, 6. So I'll write 6 here. Now, T-H-R-E-E, 3. Yes, I'll write number 3 here. F-O-U-R, 4. You've already learned it. So I'll write 4 here. N-I-N-E, 9. So I'll write 9 here. And F-I-V-E, 5. And I'll write 5 here. And just as we match the numbers this side, we're going to do the same here. Here 6 and here 6, I'll match it. Here is 3 and here is 3, I'll match this. Here is 4 and here is 4, I'll match it. 9 and 9 I will match. 5 and 5 I will match. So children, we've just learned how to match. Now I'll do one more exercise before we wind up. Okay? Now children, we are doing the third exercise. Here what we are going to do is, we are going to count and write in words and figures. So what does words mean? We will spell it. And figures is, we will write the numbers. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Always remember, whenever we are counting, what do? We cut them. How many have we cut? 4. So I'll write 4 in the square. And how will I spell 4? F-O-U-R. cut it. 1, 2, 3, 4 crosses I cut. I wrote it in figures, that means I wrote the number 4 and then I spelled number 4. I wrote it in words. Now let's count the goats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what will I write over here? Tell me. I will write number 6. And how will I spell 6? S-I-X. 6. Let's count the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many stars did I cut? 8 stars. So in the square I will write 8. And I'm sure you remember the spelling of 8 now. 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. And the last one now. We are going to see how many O's we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So what number will I write over here? Number 7. And you remember how to spell 7? Se. S-E. Se. Ven. V-E-N. Ven. So let's spell 7. S-E. Se. V-E-N. Ven. 7. So children, now we've learned how to match words with figures. Words with figures we learned how to match. We learned how to match figures with words. We've learned how to count and write in figures as well as in words. Okay? So, we've learned how to spell from 1 to 10. We've done different exercises. Now you are becoming big. So you know how to spell from 1 to 10. Very good children. So, I'll see you next. Bye. Friends, if you like my videos and if you would like me to send up some more videos of this kind that you like, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my videos. And of course, please don't forget to press the bell icon